Hello students, I am Anjali Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to learn Social Science of class 7. In Social Science, we are going to study about the civics lesson number 2, role of the government in health. Children, we are discuss today the types of healthcare service in our India. Today we are going to study about the types of healthcare service in India. Children, we are show that there is a two types of healthcare service. First is public healthcare service and the private healthcare service. If we are observe the public it means there are all the types of people, and private is mean the particular people. It means first we are discuss about the what do you mean by the public healthcare service and the what is the meaning of private healthcare service. Now children, you can show the pictures. That is a two pictures are together. If you are going into the right side, there is a public healthcare sector, and if you are to show the right left side, there is a private healthcare sector. It means there is a two types of healthcare service. First is public and the second is private. Now children, we will discuss first the what do you mean by the public healthcare service or the sector. Public means an activity or the services that mean for the all the people in country and is mainly organized by the government. There is a two main topics are there in that. If we are study about the public healthcare service or a sector, the first main topic is that service. These are all types of people. It means that all the people they are going that services. It means to join the services. And the second is it is the organized by the government. It means first that is a service, and that service for the all the people, and that is the mainly organized by the government. That is the definition of the public healthcare service or a sector. Now we are discuss about the private healthcare service and sector. There is the same like that. Some small difference are there. The private healthcare service, it means the activity or the service, that is also the activities and service, but that is organized by the individual or the company for the own profit. That is the definition of the private. I am repeat again, listen carefully. The private, it means there is a also the activity or the services, but there is a organized by the company and the individual. If we are discuss about the private, it means there is a organized by the government. But if we are discuss about the private, it means there is a organized by the company or the individual person. There is a own profit. And if we are discuss about the private, it means they are a work for the welfare. But in the private, there is a work for a own profit. There is a difference between that. If we are discuss, the first we are discuss there is a public. The public, it means there is a also one service is there, but that service for the all the people and organized by the government. The second thing, there is a private, it means there is a activity or the service, but there is a organized by the individual and there are work for the own profit. And the public, there is a work for the welfare. Now your difference between the public and private, there is a perfectly understand. Now we are go to the further point. It means that we are going to the detail. That topic is the public healthcare sector. Now children, we are already discussed that the healthcare is divide into the two categories. First is a public healthcare service and the second is private health service. It means we can also say that they fulfill their communities of the providing healthcare to the all the citizens. Now we are discuss the first the public health service. Now on the basis of ownership, healthcare service in India can be divided into the two following types. First is a public healthcare service and the second is private health service. Now children, you can show the pictures are given. if you are going into the right side, it means there is a orange color, that is the healthcare. And the second, that healthcare is also chained with the hospitals. It means our first topic, the public health service are the chain of the health center and the hospital run by the government. It means our public health service, they are also work as a health center, and also they are a chain with, it means they are going to the hospital run by the government. It means the first government organize the healthcare center, and then that healthcare center, they are a chain. It means they are both are the working with the hospital also. It means we can say that the public health service are the chain of the health center and the hospital run by the government. It means the main topic is there is a chain, but between whom? The health center and the hospital. They are also organized by government. We are already discussed. If the public, it means there is organized by the government. The second point is, one important aspect of the public health is that it is the mean of the provide the quality healthcare service. It means government establish the healthcare center, and their main goal is what? That main goal is that they provide the quality healthcare. It means they give the services, but there is a quality wise, either free or the low cost. It means we can say that, we also say that the public health system is a quality healthcare service, free or at the low cost. It means the main topic is there. First, they provide the services by the like a quality wise, and the second topic is there is a, they give the services, but there is a free or the low cost. Okay, it means first topic is what? They are provide the quality healthcare service, and either there is a free or the low cost. Now the third point is there, at the village level, there are the healthcare where there is a usually the nurse and the village health worker. It means if you are going in the village area, there is a healthcare center is there. It means we can say that Prathmik Sarvar Kendra. We are listen that word. There is in, if you are going in village, there is a Prathmik Sarvar Kendra. It means there is a they also there a primary health center. We are not introduced that primary health center, but if you are going in village area, that time that word is introduced. And if you are going in village area, that time you are getting the nurses and the village health worker. Now question is there, if the healthcare center is there, then why the doctor is not there? Doctor is also there, but if the common illness, if the common illness, we can say that there is a fevers and this type of common illness are there, that time this type of work doing by the nurse and the village health worker, they are treated in the dealing with a common illness. We can also say that common illness, it means normal fever. Okay, and the work under the supervision, they are doing the work, nurse and healthcare worker, they are doing the work, but that work is supervised by the other people, and that is supervised by the doctor at the primary health center. If we can say that there is a short form PHC. PHC, it means the primary health center. It means in village area, if you are going in village healthcare center, there is a nurse is available and the worker is also available, but that worker, the village health worker, they are doing that work, but there is a supervision by the doctor, and that doctor is a primary health center. The next point is, such a center cover the many villages in area. At the district level, there is a district hospital that also supervise the all healthcare centers. It means if you are going in village area, that village area, they are cover the rural area also. It means the nearest rural area are there, there is a cover also. But if you are going into the upper part, there is a district are there, and that district, the one hospital are there, there is a district hospital that also supervise all the healthcare center. The first, the nurse and the workers are doing their work, there is a supervised by the doctors, and that doctor they are supervised by the district level healthcare center doctor is also supervised there. It means all types of work they are supervised by the other people, and that time no other issue are created. Large city have the many government hospital. Our government is not establish only the healthcare service, but our government is also create the healthcare center, primary healthcare center, and also they are organized, also they are established the hospital. Children, you can see the picture of that. There is a first picture, there is a primary healthcare center, and that primary healthcare service also organized by the government. But the same happened, the government also organized the hospitals also. You can see that there is a Vijay Rupani there, or Vijay Rupani are also there. They are start the hospital, and that hospital name is CUSA Medical College and Hospital. Now the further topic is another important function of the public health is the take action to prevent the spread the disease. If they are started the public healthcare service, the public healthcare service there is a main goal is that there are take a action. If our area some disease was spread, that time the healthcare center is also provide the medicine also, and that main goal is what, that disease is not spread the large area. And because of that, the another important function of the public health to take action to prevent the spread the disease. They are a control the disease, they are a control the disease of spreading, like a TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, etc. Then after, the next topic is that according to our constitution, it is a primary duty to government. It means there is a duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people. The primary duty is that they are getting the welfare service to all the people or not. Ensure the welfare of the people and provide the healthcare facility to all. It means according to, if you are going to the according to the constitution, the main goal is there ensure the welfare services getting all the people or not, and then after they also provide the healthcare facility to all. The government must safeguard the right to life to every person. It means the government always save the human being. Okay, it means you can see the picture, the government also funding, they are a fund for the medicine, they fund for the surgeries also, hospital stay, emergency, general practitioner. It means the government provides so many funds for that. Why they are provide so many funds? Because the main goal is that we are save our the Indian people, not only the Indian people. We are asked that there is a all over the India. The main goal is that they are save the human life, not other than. It means that children, today we are learn the types of health service. In that types of health service, the first is private health and the second is public health. In that topic we are discuss about the public health service. The first we are understand about the difference between both of you. If we are talking about the public health service, in that health service there is also one type of service, but there is a organized by the government, there is a public. But if we are talking about the private, that is organized by the individual person or a company. And if we are going to the second topic of the public work for the welfare, but in the private they are a work for the own profit. And after we are also discuss the further, we are also discuss about the private healthcare service, but today we are discuss about the public health service. In that public health service they are started the primary healthcare service. In that service there is a nurse and worker are there, they are treatment, give the treatment to the patient, but that is also supervised by the other doctors. And our public healthcare service, they are a work for the welfare. It means that if they are a charge, but there is a low cost of the charge. And we are also the short form of the PHC. It means the primary health service. It means, I hope the children you are understand properly what it what is the meaning of public healthcare service or the sector, and the features of the public health service. Now next video we are discuss about the private health sector or the services. Thank you.